stairs and accidentally trips. As the telekinesis makes everything in the room float including Jesse's gun, Sarah runs to tackle Joe out of the house. Sid lands on the floor without a scratch and furiously uses his powers to make Jesse float too, screaming until the whole room explodes. Joe realizes Sid will become the Rainmaker and this power is why he'll be able to bring down entire syndicates on his own. Furious, he pushes Sarah for lying to him but she assures him Sid isn't a bad kid, he just loses control when he gets scared. That's how he killed Sarah's sister, through an accidental explosion. Ignoring her pleas, Joe starts searching for Sid, finding him in the field covered in blood. Seeing his traumatized face makes Joe comfort him instead of killing him. Then Joe tells that Jesse must have told the others about him, so Sarah must get ready to escape. Back to old Joe, he finally makes up his mind and bursts into Susie's apartment, pushing her away to find the kid. However, when he enters the child's room, he's knocked out by Kid Blue with a taser. Kid Blue takes Joe to the club, where Abe is gathering his men to go to the farm. Kid Blue begins arguing with a guard and Joe uses the chance to attack. He kicks the guard and pushes Kid Blue back, shooting him with his own gun. Then he starts shooting all the guards, stealing another gun from the other room to bring them all down in minutes. Then he takes a hidden passage and continues to kill criminals as he makes his way through the club, throwing a bomb in the main area that destroys the security system. In the back room, Abe is terrified to hear Joe at the door. Moments later Kid Blue wakes up and finds everyone in the club dead, including Abe himself. However, he also sees the location of the farm on the map. Minutes later, old Joe arrives at the farm in a car full of gold bars and throws one to his younger self, asking him to leave. Young Joe refuses and opens fire, but at that moment Kid Blue runs over him with a hoverbike. They start firing at each other and Kid Blue runs out of bullets, so Joe waits for him to be close enough and shoots him off, making the bike crash. After the smoke clears, Joe realizes his older self is gone. Near the house, Sarah and Sid are leaving on their truck, only to find the road blocked by older Joe. As he opens fire, Sarah speeds up to try to run him over. Sid panics and uses his powers, making the truck float up